ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review. And today we have the new Native Fall collection and my thoughts. If you're interested in hearing my thoughts on the new fall collection, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well, okay? Let's get into it. So y'all know I'm like the Native stan. Well, I'm gonna say that in my head. I love Native and Native body wash, okay? I think it is projecting and prominent, all the things. The lather is 10 out of 10. I love Native, right? And so you all know if there's a new collection, yo sis is about to get it. So we have the new Fall Escape collection, and I wanted to rank them from my least favorite to my favorite, and the reasons why. Okay, so we're going to rank and talk all at the same time. So let's start with none other than the bottom. Okay, so there's 4 in this collection, and so let's start with the bad. So let's start off with my least favorite out of the collection, and that is Sage, and this is the sweet citrus. Okay, so I will say I think this is more for my male cousins, my brothers, like my uncles. I think this is more my nephews. I think this is more for you all. I can definitely see a man wearing this.
Hello, ladies. Look at your man. Now back to me. Now back at your man. Now back to me. Sadly, he isn't me. He could smell like he's me.
But I could also see a woman wearing this. But let me say this. First of all, you have to like a strong citrus body wash, right? Or fragrance, right? And you also have to like a green sage type of fragrance. So just like what it says, the sage and the citrus absolutely come through in this body wash, right? But to me, the only reason why I lean that this might be feminine or for, you know, a few of my sisters out there is because of that sweet citrus, okay? So it is sweeter, it is that citrus, but it gives me grassy green. I'm not a fan. I will not be using this. I will be passing this on. But it's all right. It definitely does give me this fall vibe, but not for me. Okay, moving on. So number 3 was really hard for me because number 2 and number 3 were like fighting. And I was like, oh, I don't know. So I decided to go with desert grass and sandalwood. Now, let me tell you, the names on these do not do it justice. It does not give me like, oh yes, Native, give me that body wash. Like I would have looked very much past this if you would have gave me a body wash if I didn't really like Native, right? And I were to see a body wash that said desert grass. I can't even say it. Desert grass. I wouldn't be picking this up, desert grass and sandalwood. Nah, miss me with that. But sometimes Native does these things with names, and it almost like disguises what the greatness that is in this bottle is. And this is really good. All that to say, I really enjoy this. This is definitely a creamy sandalwood. You have to like a sandalwood. You have to like even a creamy sandalwood, okay? Now, the grass in this, it doesn't give me like a sage, like the sage one in the green. It doesn't lean more heavy on that. It gives me a green, but it almost gives me, like, you know, if you have a flower and there's the leaf of the flower, it gives me like the leaf green in that, okay? Like, if I'm thinking of a green, it's like a floral and then the leaf. What? I know. But it gives me that. But it's not like heavy where it's a turn off. Out of this, it almost gives you like the green lifesaver. Like the green lifesaver. I think it's lime or something. Anyway, it gives you the smell of the green lifesaver. That's all I can say. But on your body, it is very pleasant. It is very much a creamy sandalwood. I would highly recommend you get this. Like, definitely try this because I was trying to describe this and it was very hard, just like it is right now. It's very hard for me to describe this, but it is good, okay? Because it's third on my list, because somebody has to be third, but I would recommend this. This is really good. Would I get a backup of this? I actually would. Like, no lie. Yo, sis would. And you all know how I am about green and leafy greens. Y'all know how I am. If it don't work, it don't work. But this is really good. Like, this will probably be the talk of the town. Like, you'll probably see this more on like your TikToks and all this. Like, this is going to be a trendy one. But if you see it come up, remember, yo, sis already told you it was good.
I didn't know, man. I told you. What you mean you didn't know? What, you think I was playing with you?
Okay, moving on. Second on my list, I'm going to have to go with vanilla cactus flower. And when I tell you the 3 and the 2, I was like, oh my goodness, which one? But this to me is very much a crowd pleaser, okay? You have to like a cactus flower. It almost is like, if you all know the Bath and Body Works, it's like a cactus fragrance. I can't think of it right now, but they have like, I think it's a newer body mist. Anyway, it's like this cactus blossom or something like that. They have it in like a candle form and a fragrance, a body fragrance form. Either way, if you enjoy that, keep going down that route of thought for this, but add vanilla. This is definitely going to be the like cutesy girl, but with some depth. Okay, like it's the cutesy girl, but with depth, and this will definitely be a favorite. I can see this being a winner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
For the fall, like a lot of people will purchase this. I can see this will be a repurchase after repurchase. This is like easy breezy, like of course you would get this type of thing for the fall. Like, it's so good. Highly recommend if you like a cactus flower floral scent with vanilla, you're going to truly enjoy this. Trust me, okay? Moving on. And my top, pick for this fall collection, this fall escape collection, I will have to say is the Honey and Saguaro body wash, okay? This is my favorite. And when I tell you, it said, when you go onto Native, it says peach. But what I get from this, I get a whole mango, okay? I get a very sappy, very dense mango. If that is even, because of the honey, it's like this very ooey gooey mango, but it's like a dense mango. I don't know. This is so good. But again, on Native site, it says it's like a peach scent. So you might get peach. I get mango. Like, we all have different noses, so you might not get any of those. But I would say this is my favorite out of the line. I would get backup off top of backup because this gives me, like, it does give me fall, but it's like a fruity fall. And sometimes after the summer has gone and you're transitioning to fall and it's cold and you're like, I still miss my fruity scent. Like, this is so good for that moment if you wanted a fall fruity scent. That's all I can say. Like, this is my top pick. I would get backup on backup on backup, okay? So hopefully you all, this gives you some food for thought, with native. I will pop in the description, right? There are some times where you can get like different codes for native, and I found a 40% off code. It's not mine. It's somebody's. I don't even know who it is, but I'm going to pop it down below. So if you are interested in some native body washes and wanted to purchase some and wanted to get a little deal, yo sis got you, of course, because that's how we roll around here. I'm going to put it in the description area so you can dibble and dabble in that, okay? And get you some 40% off, okay? And these are not expensive. Like native, you go on the site, it gives you like, what? I think it's like $9. So it's really not a hefty type of, there's worse out there in the body wash land.
And that's the double truth, Ruth.
That don't do anything for your skin.
Period, Pooh.
We're not gonna go there, but I think it's a very affordable, and I have sensitive skin, so that's why I do like native. And native is just such a clean brand. It is so good. I love native. I love that native comes out with different scents that you can try, and definitely this fall collection comes right on time. Now sometimes, I will say, I'll speak on mine. Let me speak on my Target, because that's kind of where I find native, right? You can find native at Walmart too, but I sometimes more so find native at Target. Well, my Target be late. So by the time the fall collection come, we done forgot about the fall collection. We in winter. We looking at the winter collection. That's how my store rolls. But if you can find the new collection in Target, great. But if you can't, just consider going on the site, purchasing some of the fall collection, and let me know your thoughts on it down in the comment section. I would love to know. Some of you all have enjoyed some of the native suggestions that I have had. So let the family know. Let's share. Sharing is caring. Whether it's good, bad, indifferent, comment down below, because we all need to know what are the thoughts, so we don't be spending our coins just to be spending our coins. What you got to say? Oh, and what you got to say? And then what make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough what? Yeah, yo sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.